Have you ever wondered how a simple drink could transform your health? Today, we are exploring the remarkable benefits of combining Amla and Aloe Vera juice, a natural blend that can significantly enhance your well-being. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is celebrated for its high vitamin C content and powerful antioxidants. These properties help purify the blood, enhance liver function, and boost the immune system. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and B12, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. It aids in detoxifying the body by removing toxins and possesses strong anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation and provide relief from conditions like arthritis. To prepare this health-boosting juice at home, start by thoroughly washing a few amla berries and an aloe vera leaf. Carefully cut the amla into small pieces, discarding the seeds. For the aloe vera, slice. Open the leaf and scoop out the clear gel, ensuring you avoid the yellow latex, which can be harsh on the stomach. Place the amla pieces and aloe vera gel into a blender. Add a cup of water to aid blending. For added flavor and health benefits, consider including a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon juice. Blend the mixture until it reaches a smooth consistency. If you prefer a thinner juice, you can add more water to achieve your desired consistency. To ensure a smooth texture, pour the blended mixture through a strainer into a glass, removing any pulp or fibrous material. Your fresh amla and aloe vera juice is now ready to enjoy. For optimal absorption and health benefits, it is best to consume this juice on an empty stomach in the morning. Regular consumption can support various aspects of health, including improved digestion, enhanced immunity, better skin and hair health, weight management, and increased energy levels. Drinking this juice can aid digestion by regulating bowel movements and promoting a healthy gut. The high vitamin C content in amla strengthens your immune system, making your body more resilient to illnesses. The hydrating properties of aloe vera keep your skin moisturized and can help reduce acne, while amla promotes collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. For hair, this combination can help reduce dandruff, strengthen hair roots, and promote overall hair health. Additionally, aloe vera helps improve metabolism, and amla aids in flushing out toxins from the body, assisting in weight management. The nutrients and antioxidants present in both ingredients help rejuvenate your body, providing sustained energy throughout the day. Remember, while this natural remedy offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to consume it in moderation. Excessive intake may lead to digestive issues or allergic reactions in some individuals. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Embrace the power of nature with this simple yet effective amla and aloe vera juice. Incorporate it into your daily routine and experience the transformative effects on your health and vitality. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.